You are a money magnet. Money is coming to you. Money is constantly flowing into your life. Money is abundant in your life. You always have more than enough money for everything you need and want. The more money you spend, the more money shows up in your life. You are trusting in the flow of abundance. You are trusting that the universe is always taking care of you. You know that you can have money. You are open to more money coming to you. You are allowing more money now. You are expecting that more money will show up in your life. You have money. You have a lot of money. You are appreciating the money you already have. You are receiving a lot of money all the time. You are now open to new ways money can come into your life. You are now open to money unexpectedly showing up in your life. You are now open to more money flowing into your bank account. You are now open to more money flowing into your wallet. You are open to more money in your life. You love money. Money loves you. You are appreciating money and everything it does for you. As you pay your bills, take a moment to stop and thank money. Take time every day to thank money for being there for you. Whenever you pay for anything, take time to appreciate money being there for you. Money loves when you appreciate it. The more you appreciate money, the more money will show up in your life. You now have a wonderful relationship with money. You are receiving unexpected money all the time. Money is always there for you. Money loves being around you. You are now thinking positive thoughts about money. Money is now showing up in your life. You have a money mindset. You are tuning to the vibration of money and abundance. You are now tuning to the vibration of prosperity. You are feeling more and more abundant every day. You are feeling more and more happy every day. Your happiness attracts more things to be happy about, and that includes money. Every day you are feeling more and more joyous. You now feel money on its way to you. Money is simply falling into your lap now. Money is coming to you easily and effortlessly. You are thinking positively about money and abundance. Money is constantly flowing into your life. You are sharing your money with others. Whatever you give out to others will always come back to you, and that includes money. The more money you give, the more money shows up in your life. Your relationship with money is growing stronger and stronger each day. You are choosing to be positive, loving, kind, and sharing. What you give out always comes back to you. You now have trust that the universe will always provide you with whatever you need and want, and that includes money. You are now thinking differently about money, so you can allow more money into your life. You are now allowing money to pour into your life in abundance. You are blessed with money and abundance. You say thank you for the money that is already in your life. You say thank you for the money that is on its way to you.